Do you own a ranch that you're not utilizing to its fullest potential? Have you considered renting it out for extra income? With the rise of agro-tourism, it's never been easier to turn your land into a profitable venture. Ranch owners have been finding creative ways to generate revenue for years. From selling produce to hosting weddings, there are countless opportunities to make money off of your land. One of the most lucrative options is renting out your ranch for events or camping. This video will cover everything, from finding renters to marketing your property. Let's dive in. Select an arrangement. Renting out your ranch can be a great way to earn extra income. The first step in the process is to select the right arrangement for your situation. Some ranch owners prefer to rent out their entire property, while others prefer to rent out specific areas or amenities on their ranch. You'll also need to decide whether you want to handle the rental process yourself or work with a property management company. Ultimately, the arrangement you choose will depend on your goals, budget, and comfort level with managing rental properties. Market the land. Renting out your ranch for extra income can be a smart way to use your land, but it is important to market it effectively. First, you need to identify your target market. Do you want to rent to hunters, campers, or those looking for outdoor events? Once you've identified your target audience, tailor your marketing efforts to them. Use social media to showcase the beauty and opportunities of your land. Create a website and consider attending local fairs or events to promote your property. Do your homework when choosing a farmer. If you own a ranch, renting it out to farmers can be a great way to earn extra income. You may be wondering, how do you find a farmer who will take good care of your land and who can make the most of it? Here are some tips to help you choose the right farmer when renting out your ranch for extra income. Determine your criteria. Before you start looking for a farmer to rent your ranch, you need to determine your criteria. What kind of crops you want to grow on your land, what kind of farmer you want to work with, and how much you want to get paid. Look for farmers with experience. When renting out your ranch, it's important to find a farmer with experience. This will ensure that they know what they are doing and can grow crops successfully on your land. You can search for experienced farmers online or through local agricultural organizations in your area. Meet with any potential farmers. Once you have a list of potential farmers, you should meet with them in person. This will give you an opportunity to get to know them and see if they are a good fit for your ranch. During the meeting, ask questions about their experience, their farming practices, and how they plan to use your land. Check references. Before you finalize a lease agreement with a farmer, you should check their references. Contact their previous landlords or agricultural organizations they've worked with to get an idea of their work ethic and farming practices. Create a strong formal lease agreement. Once you've found the right farmer for your ranch, it's important to create a strong lease agreement. This should include details about the rental payment, crop sharing, liability, and how the land will be taken care of. Having a solid lease agreement in place will protect both you and the farmer and ensure that everything is clear from the start. Insurance and taxes. Before you start renting out your property, it's crucial to make sure you have the proper insurance coverage to protect yourself in case of accidents or damage. You'll also want to consult with a tax professional to make sure you understand the tax implications and requirements related to rental income. Adhere to the lease. Before renting out your ranch, it's crucial to establish clear lease terms with the tenant, including payment schedules, responsibilities for upkeep and repairs, and rules for property use. Adhering to the lease protects you as the landlord and ensures that the tenant has a clear understanding of the expectations and requirements for the rental. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of renting your ranch and make the most of your investment. Thanks for watching. We're United Country Real Estate, your experts on all things ranch properties. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again and stay tuned for the next video.